Now I've had to raise the car a little bit so I can get underneath to open the bung for the oil change. And you can see I have some visitors here with me as well, my two cats. So we jacked it up and I've put a axle stand underneath. It's always wise to put something underneath anyway, just in case the jack lets you down, and you do not want to be under there if this car comes down on top of you. So what I need to do is open the bung and let the oil out. And once I've opened the bung, what I'll do is I'll let the car back down again so to get all that oil out, the dirty waste oil, into the basin. So that's what I'm going to do now. Now I just took the socket off after loosening the socket just to make it a little easier. Before that bung comes out and everything gets messy, I'm just going to unscrew the rest of the way with my fingers. Nice messy job, nearly missed the basin, not very good. And there's our bung. And we just let that oil come out. And we're just going to move this now. We'll have to raise the jack a little bit and take this out and let the car back down so we get the rest of the oil, the waste oil, out of the car.